your money in a regular savings account because it's not doing anything for you. It's not growing. It's not earning interest. So just stop. I have better options for you. High yield savings accounts are the thing that you need to get into. You need to put your savings in. You need to put your money in so your money can actually grow and actually gain you money back. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lucy. I am back with another video. Now, if you watched my previous video, which I know you did, I mentioned that one of my financial goals that I wanted to accomplish before 30 is open up a high yield savings account. And guess what? I did it! I opened up a high yield savings account and I wanted to let you guys know my top 5 high yield savings accounts upon my research, and maybe you can guess which one I picked or which one works best for you, or let me know what you learned. So let's go. Bottom to the top, let's begin. I had some criterias that I wanted in my high yield savings account. Number one, it had to have 4% or higher APY, and that is interest that you earn every single month. I wanted an account that had no minimum fees, no minimum balance, has an ATM card or provides an ATM card so I can always have access to my money in case of an emergency, or I just want access to my money no matter what. Of course, FDIC insured. High yield savings accounts offer a higher interest rate versus your regular schmegular savings because they don't have a brick and mortar, meaning they typically don't have a physical bank. They're mostly online and you transfer with your regular bank into their bank accounts. So that means they have more money to give to their customers and their consumers because they don't have as much overhead costs as regular banks that we walk into. That makes sense, right? Starting with number 5, Betterment. Betterment was pretty good. It has no minimum fees, no minimum balance. It's FDIC insured, has long-term financing such as Roth IRAs and IFTs. If that's what you want and you want to invest your money, you can do that with them. APY is 5.50% if you're a new customer and if you deposit money in their bank for the first 14 days of you opening up their account. Now this APY drops to 4.75% after 3 months. Fortunately, they don't offer any ATM cards unless you open a checking account with them. Number 4 on my list is Laurel Roads. Now, Laurel Roads has no minimum fees or minimum deposits, is FDIC insured. Their APY is 5.0%, but they do not offer ATMs with a high yield savings account. Number 3, it's UFB Direct. Now UFB Direct has no monthly fees and no minimum deposits. They are FDIC insured, so your money will be good. Their APY is 5.25%. Do charge for wire transfers. Do provide an ATM card, but it's a MasterCard, and honestly, Costco doesn't take MasterCard, so that was enough for me. Number 2 is Popular Direct. Popular Direct does not have any monthly fees, but they do have a minimum deposit of $100. They are FDIC insured. Their APY is 5.15%. They don't give you an ATM card unless you open up a checking account with them. Now, number 1, what we've all been waiting for is Wealthfront. Wealthfront has no minimum monthly fees or minimum deposits. It's FDIC insured. Their APY is 5.0%. They do provide ATM cards, and you can also access your money through Venmo, Cash App, Apple Pay, PayPal, the apps that you typically would use to send money, even Google Pay. You can also transfer your money right into investment accounts on their app, which I thought was really cool. Overall, those are my top 5 high yield savings account. I think each one of them had benefits and downfalls, pros and cons. Let me know which one that you like, which one that you're kind of curious about, or which one you'll even open. And let me know in the comments which one you think that I opened, and maybe I'll do a review on it. So open up a high yield savings account today and let go of that 0.01% or however little the percentage that you're earning in your regular schmegular savings account. Let's put our money where our money can grow, that our emergency funds can grow. This was one of my financial goals, and I'm really glad I finally did it. It was super easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you too. So per usual, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys later. Bye.